We're back at Gilded Unicorn, the iconic Spokane eatery hidden right beneath your feet.
It's like a secret club.
Almost like a castle medieval feel to it as well.
It kind of feels like a little secret spot that you found. When you are walking from the street, it doesn't, sort of unassuming. And then you walk into this sort of nice, cool cave, funky art all over the walls. And then when the food and the drinks come in, you can see the quality of products that you're getting.
The atmosphere, the food, the drinks, I would definitely bring guys here to hang out.
I actually have brought many friends here. I'm like, hey, you want to go out for apps? They're like, yes. I'm like, let's go to the Gilded Unicorn.
I think that's part of the joy of having a restaurant is being able to have a creative outlet. Taking those same ideas and like kind of putting a little bit of a twist on them, putting our vision and direction into that, it's turned out into a great restaurant.
Yeah. Well, I love the atmosphere.
Very chill.
Not very high pace. You can just have your conversations and just enjoy your company.
Now it's off to the kitchen to make some mushroom stroganoff.
So the chanterelles and trumpet mushrooms are a wild mushroom that grows around here locally. These ones were dried and rehydrated, and the water I use for rehydrating those is right here. And so this is what we're going to use to make the sauce base.
Yeah.
This is a really great umami sort of flavor to it, a mouth-watering sensation. Go ahead and take about ½ inch off the top there, and then just do a little bit of cross-hatching on the top, like a giant hashtag. I left a lot of the material here a little bit bigger chunks because I like the sauce to be pretty meaty.
Yeah.
Since we don't have actual beef in there, it's good to have like some bigger pieces in there.
Absolutely.
First, we fry the mushroom in some oil and season the bottom with salt.
As you can see, it kind of browns up. It really does look like a piece of chicken or something.
Yeah,
like that.
totally.
Yeah.
So this is a stroganoff, which is sort of like a throwback kind of dish, right?
Yeah.
Like I remember my mom
exactly.
making stroganoff.
Yeah, and so that's really what we're about here. Taking those same ideas and then making them a little bit more modern and bring them up to date. And then adding fresh ingredients. I'm gonna go ahead and save our mushroom oil here because that's great flavor.
Because why not?
I don't
right?
want to waste it.
No.
Next, we add some rough chopped onion into a pot and cook it until it's translucent.
It's always the seasonality of the products that helps guide our menu. That's our starting place always. We have a partnership with Share Farm, which really does a great job of working with local farmers. We start at the seasonal place. So we look at that list of ingredients and then we'll create our menu off of that.
After the onions have browned up a little, we add in roasted garlic and some flour to thicken the sauce. Next, we add some mushroom pieces for flavor.
And then this is the liquid I had from rehydrating the mushrooms. It has a little bit of Bragg's amino in it. We use it a lot in vegetarian cooking because it adds a depth and a little bit of wholesomeness and kind of a roundness to it. Each time I add liquid, I just let it thicken all the way up. With this method, it basically ensures that it's not going to separate.
After our sauce is thickened to the consistency we want, Adam adds some rough chopped parsley, black pepper, salt, and finally the cream.
The reason I add the cream last, I don't want to make this a really too heavy of a sauce, but I just really want to finish it and lighten it up with the cream, and so I'm not going to add as much. And I just add a touch of it to add maybe a little bit of richness to it, but not cloying.
Now we let the sauce cook until it's the consistency we want.
This is bringing back so many memories.
So we'll just grab a little bit of this pasta.
My mom would be very proud.
While Adam gets the noodles ready, I slice our big mushroom up like a piece of chicken. Next, we put the mushroom on the dish and top it all off with some sour cream.
Now that's a hearty meal.
It's a hearty meal right there. Let's give it a try.
Yeah, let's do it.
That's really good.
If I do
Not to
say
beat
so
my own.
myself. Really good mushroom flavor, but it's not overwhelmingly rich or anything
Yeah, it's
like
not.
that.
I mean, that's kind of what we're shooting for. We really shoot for something that's like not so heavy.
I like the different textures of the mushrooms too.
To get the recipe for Gilded Unicorn's mushroom stroganoff, visit wagrown.com.